T Live.
Oh, hey T. I didn't know you'd be at the laundromat today.
Hey, Liv.
Hey. Why are you giving that tablecloth such a rough scrub?
Oh, Liv. Our poor tablecloth. It's still recovering from the slang chaos a few episodes ago.
Oh yeah, I remember that episode. That was such a fun episode to make. It did get pretty gross though that day. But still, why were you scrubbing so hard?
Well, because I'm testing different cleaning methods, but I'm not sure what'll break these stains down.
Well, to know what will break something down, we probably need to think about what builds it up. What makes a stain?
Well, a stain could be a fat, protein, or dye, or any other tiny remnants that we could left behind on fabric by food or slime.
Well, maybe the enzymes inside of laundry detergent can help you?
Enzymes?
Yes, enzymes. Enzymes are a special type of protein. Proteins have a unique and specific job or function. Enzymes speed up chemical reactions by acting as catalysts.
Wait, catalysts? What are those?
Well, a catalyst is a substance or item that increases the rate of a chemical reaction or change without undergoing any permanent chemical change itself. And some enzymes are like small superheroes that can break down the specific molecules that make up the stain.
Oh, I'm trying to take the stains out, but my goodness, our tablecloth is putting up a good fight. It's a stain wrestling match, if you will.
Exactly. It is a stain wrestling match. And it seems like you're trying to make your tablecloth surrender and become the undefeated champ yourself.
Well, I'm going to try some more ways to clean our tablecloth. I'll be back.
Bye, T.
My student!
Dr. Sally, hey.
Hey, Liv. What are you doing?
Well, T was just trying to clean our tablecloth with the power of enzymes after her slime-tastrophe, Dr. Sally.
Did you try detergent?
Detergent? No, not yet. But she should. Maybe detergent and the enzymes in detergent could be our next experiment?
What a great idea! Report back to me when the two of you are done so I can give it a fresh look.
Will do, Dr. Sally. I'm excited to see how our wrestling match turns out. But wait, where did T go again?
Got a dash! Hey, Liv!
Oh, hey T. Guess what? We have a new experiment to get through.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's do it! Hey, Liv!
Hey T.
Alright, so today, instead of using our tablecloth, we're actually going to use this apron. That way we can test out today's experiment and see the breakdowns of enzymes on it before we do it on our dirty tablecloth.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea, just to make sure everything goes smoothly.
Exactly.
Well, today, young scientists, we're gonna be fighting some stains. So to get started, first things first, we're gonna need some protective eyewear, so some safety goggles. We're also gonna be using a lot of our hands and getting our hands a little bit dirty today, so we're gonna make sure we have some gloves on as well. And then last but not least, if you have another apron at home, a lab coat or something like that, or even like an old shirt that can get a little messy, we advise putting that on just so we can protect our clothes that we want to keep clean.
Yes.
And then what's next? Oh, I guess, do you want to explain what materials we need for today's experiment?
Yes, so for today's experiment, we have the following. Chocolate or chocolate powder, or any form of chocolate, honestly, that you have at home.
Yum.
We have ketchup. We have trusty, dusty water.
Doesn't look too dusty to me.
Looks pretty clean. We have powdered detergent, a Sharpie, and last but not least, some tape.
Awesome.
Yes.
Well, I can't wait.
Yes, me
Let's
too.
get started.
All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to label these two sides 1 and 2. So I'm gonna do 1 on this side. So there's our 1. And now, and there's our 2.
Beautiful.
1 and 2.
And then should we take this tape and just put a line straight down the middle just so we know for sure
Great
what
idea.
half is which?
Yes. Great idea.
Alrighty. And what's nice is there's already kind of a pre-made fold for us anyways. So I pretty much just follow that line down. There we go.
Good job, Liv. Very smart.
Thank you. Alright, so there we go, our 2 quadrants. And now what do we do?
Now we're gonna make 3 of the same stain on each side.
Oh.
So on side 1, we're going to do ketchup, chocolate, ketchup, and
A
chocolate.
little combo.
And same thing on this side. Ketchup, chocolate, and ketchup and chocolate.
Beautiful. So I guess let's get into it.
Yeah, what do you
think
want to do?
I was gonna start with the ketchup first.
Yeah.
Might as well go a little crazy. Start off a little
right
crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna put some right about here.
Whoa!
And then I'm gonna rub it in a little bit with my fingers just to make sure.
Get a good rub.
Yeah, just make sure it really gets in that fabric so we can give whatever enzymes we use, whatever stain fighting enzymes we use a fair chance to actually prove how strong they really
Yes, very red.
are. Alright, we should add a little bit more?
Yeah,
a
go
little
crazy.
bit more.
Why not?
I guess we have to save some of it for the other
We
side.
do. And for the bottom.
Alright,
Cool.
there we go.
Alright, and I guess might as well.
Yeah, we'll just ketchup it all right
Ketchup
now.
it up. Ketchup it up.
Ketchup it up.
Wow.
See, I'm personally not a fan of ketchup.
What?
I like mustard and I like mayonnaise. But for whatever reason, I don't like ketchup. But I like tomatoes, and you should always eat your tomatoes.
Yes, tomatoes are important.
Alrighty, there we go. I got ketchup fingers, so I think you should take.
Now I'm gonna
Take
get
the
the chocolate
chocolate.
fingers. Alright.
This chocolate doesn't rub in quite as good as the ketchup, so could benefit maybe from having more of a melted chocolate.
Yes.
But any sort of chocolate does just fine. Ooh.
Yes.
Great up
Oh,
there.
it looks amazing. Now we take our next piece of chocolate.
Yeah, rub it on.
Bam.
Oh, crazy.
That's crazy. I cannot believe I just did that.
Huh.
Can't take her anywhere. Alright,
All right, and now finally,
ketchup and
Together.
chocolate.
so I'll squeeze a little bit left of what's out here,
Oh, good job. That's a good squeeze.
and then a little bit over here.
That's a great squeeze.
Thank you. I appreciate the support.
Now that we have our stains, it's time to move on to the next step. So, we're gonna take our water and spray it on each stain.
All
So,
right.
I'll do side 2 and Liv, you can do side 1.
Oh, yay, perfect.
So,
Now that they're both sprayed with water, what do we do next?
So what we're gonna do next is we're going to add detergent to side 2's water, and side 1 we're just gonna leave it alone for now.
Okay.
We'll come back to it. Alright, so I'll do the top. You could do the middle, and then we could do the bottom together.
Perfect. Oh, or we do all of them at once.
Or all at once. Whoa! So detergent-y.
Yeah, this is gonna be so clean.
It's gonna be super clean. I don't know, I think our water might be clean too though.
Yeah, I mean, you know, like when I use water to clean some things, it works.
Yeah.
But I wonder if the detergent will work even better.
So that was part 1 of our experiment. Thank you so much for coming to see our dirty apron. Get some water and detergent on it. Tune in next time to see part 2 and see what happens. What do you think's gonna happen?
I can't wait. I don't even know. Will the water work better or will the detergent work better? Stay tuned to find out.
See you guys next time. Bye, young scientists!